Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Christmas is almost here, and what's the better way than get into the Christmas spirit with some delicious homemade Christmas sweets and various recipes, right? As you all must have seen from the thumbnail, today we are going to prepare another Goan Christmas sweet recipe that you all can share with your family, friends, colleagues, or even add it to your special Christmas hamper. Grab your apron and your favorite mug of hot chocolate and let's get cooking. Pittachyo Neureos can be prepared using various ingredients like chana dal, moong dal, white peas, or chickpeas like I have done. Dry roast 1.5 cup of chickpeas for 5 to 6 minutes. So it's been nearly 5 minutes now and it already smells a bit aromatic. So I'm going to close the flame and let it cool down completely before grinding it to a fine powder. For the dough, we have taken 2 cups of whole-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of fine semolina. If you're using coarse semolina, I would recommend soaking it in water for about half an hour before adding it to the dough. Salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also use ghee if required. Mix this well and then knead it to a fine dough with sufficient water. A little bit of oil. Cover it with a wet cloth and let it sit aside for some time. Let's grind the chickpeas to a fine powder. Now this will go for roasting for another 2 to 3 minutes. This smells exactly like how my mom used to make it. Pretty sure a lot of Goans will have this question of why I make my videos in English. That's because even the UK and a lot of my colleagues, friends, and people around who know me follow my channel. And they are very fond of Goa, and obviously not everyone understands Konkani. So the best option for me was to prepare my videos in English. They can also understand, they can also follow the recipes and try and know more about our Goan culture. Okay, so this has started to change color. So now I'm going to transfer it back into the bowl. So I'm going to use natural sweeteners here instead of the granulated sugar. So I'm taking half cup of desiccated coconut and 1/3 cup of jaggery powder. If you don't want to use desiccated coconut and jaggery powder, just add powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I just tasted this and it tastes so good. It has the perfect sweetness, the perfect texture because of the desiccated coconut, and the taste of the gram flour is really good. Just knead it one last time and it has turned really soft. I'm going to make small balls out of this dough and then we're going to roll it out flat. So all the dough has been divided into small balls and now let's roll it out. So to shape the Neuris, all you got to do is take one of the rolled sheet, add sufficient quantity of the filling, and then use a clean cotton bud and some water, seal the edges. Roll and close. There are two ways how you can make a design on the Neuri. If you have the cutter, then you can cut out the edges. If you don't have a cutter, like I don't, then you just have to fold the edges inwards. It gives a nice floral pattern. Another design you can do is by using a fork. Just press the edges. So let's start frying the Neuri. Oil is heated enough. Keep the flame on low to medium heat, so that the Neureos do not burn. Once it gets this nice brown color, it's ready to be taken off the heat. So my happy bowl of Neureos are ready to be served. So this has given me a total of 21 Neureos. So it depends. If you make it in a smaller size, you're going to get more. And it tastes so good. The jaggery is melted and mixed well with the filling, and it tastes really good. You have to try this recipe out. That's it for today's Christmas recipe. I hope you enjoyed making this festive recipe as much as I did. If you ever try this recipe, then do leave your comments down below, because I would love to hear how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified and never miss any update from my channel. I have also prepared quite a few other sweets and dessert recipes, which I will put somewhere on the screen or at the end of the video. Don't forget to check them out, add it to your Christmas list, and prepare a delicious spread of sweet recipes and luscious meals for this festive season. See you all in my next video with another Christmas recipe, and this time it's going to be a very special recipe. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care and stay safe.